Welcome to Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. In days of old, a figure stood. A man of brilliance, misunderstood. Elijah McCoy, the real McCoy. An inventor with dreams he'd deploy. Born free, yet bound by chains of race. He defied odds, with steadfast grace. Through trials deep, his spirit soars. Inventions squeezed from McCoy, crushed from greatness, to enrich and place treasures in some other stores. The lubricating cup, his prized creation. A revolution for engines in every nation. Machinery thrived, with smoother embrace, the real McCoy's touch left no trace. His legacy, a beacon bright. Inspiring minds, igniting the light. Elijah McCoy, the real McCoy, a true inventor, bringing joy. Though wealth eluded his earthly path, his genius lives on, defying aftermath. The real McCoy, forever unknown. Inventions realm, his spirit crowned. Elijah McCoy, the real McCoy, did not receive substantial financial benefits or residuals from his inventions. Despite his significant contributions, McCoy faced challenges in monetizing his inventions due to racial discrimination and limited opportunities for African American inventors during his time. It's important to note that McCoy's inventions, including the lubricating cup, were patented, which granted him legal ownership and protection of his intellectual property. However, specific public records regarding the ownership of his inventions and any subsequent royalties or residuals are not readily available. The historical context and the challenges faced by African American inventors of that era make it unlikely that McCoy would have been able to secure significant financial gains from his inventions. While McCoy's inventions were commercially successful and widely adopted, he did not achieve significant personal wealth from them. Nevertheless, his work had a lasting impact on various industries, and his contributions continue to be celebrated as pioneering advancements in engineering and machinery. 10 major conglomerates. 1. General Electric, founded in 1892, affiliated brand names include GE Appliances, GE Healthcare, and GE Aviation. 1. The current CEO of General Electric is H. Lawrence Culp Jr. General Electric is a multinational conglomerate with a significant presence in various sectors, including energy, aviation, healthcare, and manufacturing. 1. It holds a prominent position in the U.S. economy as one of the largest publicly traded companies. 2. Union Pacific Railroad, founded in 1862, the Union Pacific brand is associated with the transportation of goods and services by rail. 2. The current CEO of Union Pacific is Lance M. Fritz. 2. Union Pacific Railroad is a major player in the railroad industry, contributing significantly to the transportation and logistics sector in the U.S. 3. Ford Motor Company, founded in 1903, the Ford brand is synonymous with automobiles and has a wide range of vehicles under its name. 3. The current CEO of Ford Motor Company is Jim Farley. 3. Ford Motor Company holds a significant position in the automotive industry and is one of the big three automakers in the U.S. 4. General Motors, founded in 1908, General Motors, GM, encompasses various automobile brands such as Chevrolet, GMC, Cadillac, and Buick. 4. The current CEO of General Motors is Mary Barra. 4. As one of the largest automobile manufacturers in the world, General Motors has a substantial impact on the U.S. economy and automotive industry. 5. Standard Oil, founded in 1870, Standard Oil was associated with John D. Rockefeller and his oil empire. However, after various antitrust actions, the company eventually split into several entities, including ExxonMobil, Chevron, and ConocoPhillips. 5. These companies, among others, continue to operate in the oil and gas industry. The CEO of ExxonMobil is Darren W. Woods. Chevron is led by Michael K. Vierth, and ConocoPhillips is headed by Ryan Lance. 6. Bethlehem Steel Corporation, founded in 1904, Bethlehem Steel Corporation was a major player in the American steel industry until its decline and bankruptcy in 2001. 6. The company produced steel for various applications, including shipbuilding, construction, and manufacturing. 6. However, the corporation no longer exists, and its assets have been acquired by other companies. 7. Boeing, founded in 1916, Boeing is a renowned aerospace manufacturer known for its commercial airplanes, defense systems, and space technology. 7. The current CEO of Boeing is David L. Calhoun. 7. Boeing holds a significant position in the aerospace industry, contributing to both the commercial and defense sectors of the U.S. economy. 8. DuPont, founded in 1802, DuPont is a chemical company known for its innovative materials, including Teflon, Kevlar, and Nomex. 8. The company has undergone various mergers and spin-offs over the years. 8. The current CEO of DuPont is Edward D. Breen. 8. DuPont's presence extends across multiple industries, including agriculture, electronics, construction, and transportation. 9. U.S. Steel, founded in 1901, U.S. Steel, also known as United States Steel Corporation, is one of the largest steel producers in the United States. 9. The company supplies steel products for various industries, including automotive, construction, and manufacturing. 9. The current CEO of U.S. Steel is David B. Burritt. 10. Westinghouse Electric Corporation, founded in 1886, Westinghouse Electric Corporation is a renowned company that has made significant contributions to the electricity generation and distribution industry. Dan Sumner, Westinghouse President, Operating Plant Services. Throughout its history, Westinghouse has been actively involved in the manufacturing of electrical equipment and power systems. 10. Undergoing various transformations over the years, the company has adapted to the changing needs of the industry. 10. Westinghouse's expertise and presence span across multiple sectors, including energy, utilities, and infrastructure, making it a key player in powering the modern world. In conclusion, delving into the history and origins of phrases like the Real McCoy brings to light the hidden genius of inventors like Elijah McCoy. By recognizing and honoring these individuals, we not only pay tribute to their remarkable contributions but also inspire future generations to embrace innovation and persevere in the face of adversity. Unearthing the stories of forgotten inventors is crucial in rewriting history, ensuring that their brilliance and ingenuity are no longer obscured. Let us recognize Elijah McCoy, the inventors and authenticator of the Real McCoy. That has been completely misnamed and misdirected into some other McCoys. They are widely known and have willfully misrepresented the saying the Real McCoy. Elijah McCoy's inventions are critical in shaping the industrial Western world, leaving a lasting legacy of valid questions as to the ownership and patents unanswered question. Nonetheless, as it is, Elijah McCoy today inspires the hopeless to get cracking. Be responsible to yourself to find out what things actually mean. For yourself, a person's essential being that distinguishes them from others, especially considered as the object of introspection or reflexive action. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. We trust you will come back soon.